CapCut in 5 minutes. So many people I have told about CapCut who've used the other products. I'm not going to name them. You know who you are. I use the other products for bigger and other stuff for whatever reason. I love CapCut for short, fast editing. The biggest problem I have with the other products is you've got to put plugins in there. They're not very good at doing things fast, or you've got to import loads of stuff to get it to do what you want. CapCut, it's all there, and I'll show you. Okay, so when I click this next button, we're gonna try and do 5 minutes, and I'm gonna zap you through all the things that CapCut can do. I'm sure I won't cover everything. I signed up to CapCut when it first came out for the desktop, not on the mobile. I didn't like the mobile version because I wasn't really doing mobile. I was using the other products. As soon as I used CapCut, I was on there for 3 days. I went, okay, what happened? So now I'm going to click the button and do 5 minutes and try and convince you. No, I'm not going to try and convince you. I'm going to show you what it can do and why I use it every day, and why you should have a little look and see what you think. It's fantastic because it's like the most fun you're going to have editing. It's like a little toy. It's like when you first put your first video into Movie Maker or something all those years ago and go, wow, I'm an editor now. It's that moment. Okay, ready? 5 minutes starting now. Okay, so this is the product. I can't show you. Can I show you the first bit? Can I show you? Is it going to show you that bit? Oh my word, I've messed up already. Hold on a second. So let's go back to there. Okay, good. Right, I wanted to show you this. Okay, this is the first screen. It's got so much in it. I'm not going to show you all of it, but it's got Video Studio, script to edit, all that stuff. It's amazing. So this is how you go to your screens. Long to shorts. It's really, really number one app on the App Store under video. Top three for like 2 years. Okay, let's go through it quick. Import. You import your files into here. Then you can have your file stuff here. I don't really use that. AI media. Yes, it's got C Dream, C Dance, and everything else built in. So you don't need to go anywhere else. It's all there. That's images. That is video. If that hasn't convinced you already, well, I'll do some stuff. But yeah, spaces. You can buy stuff, which I don't, but you can. Library. The biggest, most powerful thing about CapCut is it's all in there. It's all in there. Millions of different stuff that you can port commercially usable. So first of all, this is a library. This is like having one of those big library things. And there is millions. I keep saying millions, thousands and hundreds. You know, to import this stuff used to take me hours and hours downloading 2-3 gigs. And if you're on a bad connection, it's a pain in the bum. It's sorted. You can search for it. That's the first bit. We haven't even started yet, but there's thousands in there. This is the timeline, normal timeline, but music, video. The best thing that I found, which was a problem in other video editors, was that you can stack. I can stack 5 or 6 effects, plus I can put a transition in there as well. One of the biggest problems I had with one certain editor is when you put the clips together, it won't transition. With CapCut, you just throw the transition over and it will basically do it. It will work it out. It will take the video, create it, and just bolt it together. And then you can put an effect at the top if you want as well. Plus that, it is super cool. Music, voice, whatever. You can stack them as many high as you want. It's great. You can, over here, you've got snap twos as well, and big and small, nice and easy. And you just pick them up from there. I'll show you, pick it up, throw it on the timeline, no messing about, and then you can do that. I'll come back to that. Okay, so let's go through some of the other stuff in 5 minutes, what it can do. One of the biggest thing that I always think that people go, oh my God, that's amazing, is the one click. Let's get a half decent one click removal. So I throw a clip onto there. Let's find her. Let's see if it does on here. Go over to here, remove. You know what a pain that is in keying it out or whatever. It's a pain. One click, processing, done. Okay, it might not be very good. You can put a stroke around it, or you can come here and then you can go in with your brush and you can remove the other bits of it, or remove the other part. It's mad. That's one part. And then you've got chroma key built in. It's one click. How much time have you spent doing that? It might not be right, but it's very good. And you can do the intensity of everything. That most people go, oh my God, you just saved me hours. That is small part of it. 26 last time I checked, there's probably more. 26 AI tools in it. Descript, sorry Descript, but it's in here. You can bring in some voice. So where's that? That's a voice. You can go in there and you can just clip. You can just say it to where is it? Over here. Enhance the voice. You can isolate the voice. You can give the beats of a piece of music. Like, how many pieces of software do that? You just click on the file and you just click the thing and it just gives beats. And if that's not right, it gives the beats on a different tempo. Transcript. So I can go to a clip and I click transcript and it'll just go away, find those words, transcribe it for me, and then I can just one click, I can remove the and everything else. Nuts. That's not it. I haven't even started yet. Right, so across the top we haven't done. So audio, you've got input your own. You've got thousands and thousands of pieces of music already built in. You've got yours, and then also you can create your own AI music in the platform. Thousands of sound effects. What are we going to talk? Rain. There we go. Just rain. Look at thousands, millions. It just goes on and on and on. Yeah, that's just rain. You can go in and filter it. You can filter it by commercial and all. Yeah, thousands and thousands of clips that will get you through it. It goes through copyright check as well. That's just that. Text. Oh my God, how many hours I've been spending like trying to find the right font in something else, and it's a pain. You just type your text in there.
But I have seen what lives beneath them.
Speaking to me, you can put your text in there and then just change it to any font you want. There's thousands of fonts. Let's go to here. Let's add something here. How many minutes we got? Oh, nearly there. So you can go to that, and I go over here. You can move this around as well. I'm trying to do it quick, as I say. There's a whole lesson in this. You can increase the font size, change the font size. How many fonts? Millions of fonts in here. You'll never ever find what you want. It's completely crazy. It doesn't download them all. You can click them and then save space by downloading them. It's nuts. Then it's got bubble. You can put in bubble. How many bubbles? It's got thousands of them. Effects. Then I can use effects on that text. Built in, thousands of them. Look, it just keeps on going on. Animation. Then I can go to here. These are some animations I use. It's got thousands of text animation. Let's click that one and see what it does. There we go. Straight away it does it. Then I can show the size of it, the length of it. I can change it, whatever. It's mad. It is mad. It's so powerful. I can't believe people are not using it. Let's go back to text. Just go back and show you what else. Text. Tracking. You put tracking on. You can put text to speech, so you can create that text, take that text, and then just click Adam, and Adam
default text,
and then Adam will speak it instantly. It's not text to speech. Custom voices you can bring in. It does avatars. Look, you can just bring in that. How many minutes I got left? 2 or something. It's got hundreds of texts in there, avatars in there that will just like speak your stuff. They're my own avatars. Yeah, that's just on text. I haven't even gone through the rest of it. Look, stickers. Think of all the the silly ones that you put over the top sometimes like this. Then you can just move it around instantly. How many's on there? Thousands of them. Thousands. It just goes on forever. More than, football is just one they just uploaded out. It's endless. It is endless. Shapes. Okay, bung a shape on there. It's so easy, fun, simple. It's amazing, isn't it? Let's just leave that. Effects. One of the biggest problems I have was importing loads of effects, loads of different horrible plugins to get it, and then the plugin would need updating and the thing, and then it wouldn't work. You just pick this up. Let's have a look at this. Let's have a look at Dream Station or whatever it's called. What is it? Dream Animation. There we go. And then what I can do different colors. Each thing has, I can put a mask over it. It does mask as well. It's really, oh yeah. And then body effects. So if it's a person, what I can do is I can click on here and I can make them, what am I going to do? I'm going to make them partial blur.
By something greater.
Click the wrong clip. There we go. And it puts a whole thing over the top. There's too much. It'll take you years to go through this. It just endless, endless, endless. Okay, that's that. We haven't got to transitions yet. Transitions, your favorite thing when you start. Thousands of them. Thousands of them. Look, football. Let's do the football one. Let's like match up. So we just take that. Let's put two clips together. Let's put this, that, and that. And you know the horrible thing that some transitions don't work. So we take a transition, put it over the top. Bosh. Yes. Would you like to sort it all out for me and me just click one button? Yes, please. Done.
Shaped and harnessed by something great.
Then I can just make it bigger. I can put it. Then what I want to do is, I tell you what, I'm going to put a big neon heart over the top of that effect, and then I'm going to take a phantom clone and put it over the top. So I can I've stacked three. Look what it's going to do.
Shaped and harnessed by something greater. It can become a thing of instrumental beauty.
Why people aren't using this, I don't know. I know they are, but more people and older industry people, it's crazy. Okay, captions. How long have I done? I've done longer for 5 minutes, but I get too excited about it. You can change the spoken language. You can do templates in there. Look, it's got templates of all this stuff again. So you know the cool little things that you pay for where you get the words at the bottom and stuff like that. Click a button, it will do all that stuff. How many of them? Thousands of them, millions of them. You'll never find all of them because there's too many. I haven't even started yet. Really, I'm going to run out of time. AI packaging, you can create your own stuff. Auto lyrics, it just creates the lyrics as you go. Add captions, all captions just added. It does SRT, LRC, ASS files. You just dump them in there and it will sort it out. AI emojis. I didn't even look at that. Don't even know what that is, half this stuff. Filters. How many thousands already built and you don't have to go anywhere else? Fatal green, we just whack it over the top. Looks epic every single time. It's, it goes on. Mines. It does LUTs. It does templates. It does AI avatars. What else we got? Okay, let's do this. I haven't gone through. I've gone way over 5 minutes, but I don't care. Right. So you can, in this, yeah, so now I've clicked on the video, the video file. I can stabilize it. One click, stabilize. It's just going away and do it. Enhance quality, reduce image noise, optical flow, AI remove. I can click this button. I can go in, I can remove his headset or the stuff behind it. Optical flow, when you've got files, you've got a frame rate that looks a bit jaggedy. AI removal tool. Extend. What you can do is you can take a vertical video and make it wider. AI remix. Eye contact, so the eyes look direct. Relight. In the editor, you can basically take the file and you can move the light around. I'm not kidding. Yeah, direction, you can put where it is. What else we got? Auto reframe, remove flickers, AI movement, so it does like crazy movements of camera tracking, motion blur. We talked about removal. Mask, I can just put a mask, add mask. You know what a pain that is? Look, just all these masks. Retouch, you can go in there and retouch someone's face. You can give them, yeah, I know, you can give them makeup. You can de-wrinkle them, make them fatter, make them thinner, facelift, bright eye. It goes on skin tone. It's crazy. It's crazy. What have I also got? Animation in here. You can basically create a intro from that video rather than effects, transitions, text, and everything else. Okay, right. I'm going off the path. You're kind of getting the picture. This is it. This is it. It's all in there. There's nothing else that you need. Okay, you might want the best sound ever. Go to another product. You might want the best looking video editor ever. Go. But this, anyone can use. It's really simple. It's extremely good. I've got one more thing to tell you before I go, which is go in basically. It's all in there. You're never ever going to find everything. On the others, you've got a load of plugins and everything else. Export, what? And everyone's like, oh, does it do 4K? No, it doesn't. It does 8K. You can export it in 8K. You can tell it where to save. You can export your video on its own. You can export the audio. I use, because on the Mac, you have to export a WAV file to be able to trim it quickly. I use that. You can export the captions, you can import the captions, you can check the copyright. That's it. That's it. Okay. You can see how excited I am. I went through all the other products and I hated them all because I had to be a scientist to get all the bits to work. It's all in there. I love it. I love it. Okay. That was more longer than 5 minutes, but you can see my excitement. Use it, have a play with it. You'll see what you can do. It just is that level of creativity you're looking for. I love CapCut. I've been saying it for years and I still can't believe people are not, you know, for 30-second ad. This is it. This is it. You can do so much. Oh yeah, that's even more crazy. You know, let's just do one more thing here. I'm finished. I'm gonna say you one more thing. Right, what you can do, let's go back here, is you can, after you finish your widescreen, you can press clipper, and what it'll do, it will create small 15-second videos or 30 or 60, so you can just put them out as TikTok or whatever. No more editing for that rubbish. Then it's got AI built in, so basically what I can do is I can analyze the whole video, whole video, and it can give me a LUT for the whole thing. It can sort your coloring. No, it's not perfect, but it gives you an idea. So you can improve the colors. You can make the colors consistent, which is a real pain if you know you go through each clip and you've got 40 clips. You can make the HD, you can make lower res videos upscaled. You can retouch the face. This is the paid version. There is a free version as well. You can make the voice clearer. You can do the set volume levels, everything, eye contact, add captions. Yeah, it's mad.